This is an ABC News special report.
Good morning, I'm Diane Macedo. We're coming on the air because the stock market is plummeting in response to President Trump's escalating trade war. The president's imposing a 10% tariff on nearly all foreign imports, higher reciprocal tariffs on roughly 60 countries, and a 25% tariff on all foreign cars and auto parts. President Trump says the tariffs will boost American industries and jobs by driving companies to manufacture in the U.S., but right now, we're seeing markets reacting negatively. The Dow's down more than 1,000 points right now at the open. Economists are warning these tariffs could cause higher inflation and a possible recession, with Americans forced to pay more for everything from produce to clothing, electronics to cars. Let's get right to ABC's chief business correspondent, Rebecca Jarvis, with more on that. And Rebecca, that seems to be the biggest concern right now, rising prices. So how dramatic could these increases be? And are there any particular areas where we will see a bigger impact than others?
Well, Diane, where we've already seen some impact is with cars. U.S. cars manufactured here oftentimes use imports in their parts from Mexico, from Canada, as well as all the imported cars that we buy here in the United States. And that has sent the cost of cars, according to many estimates, higher in light of these tariffs. So that's an area in a concrete way where people are already starting to see those price increases, and we'll continue to see them in the next handful of months. The other areas that we could see this in, really, it's across the board. Everything from food to clothing. We get a lot of clothing here in the United States from places like China, Vietnam, Mexico. Shoes also coming in from those places, toys. The other issue is pharmaceuticals. Our pharmaceuticals industry here, a lot of prescription drugs come from places like Ireland, Germany as well.
And Rebecca, we've seen markets pulling back over the past few weeks as conversations about a potential recession start to increase. Those fears are rising. Where does that picture look right now?
Well, the recession fears are certainly there, and they have been for some time. But when you look at the markets right now, what this stock market is reacting to, with the Dow opening down about 1,100 points, the S&P 500, the thing that's in most retirement savings accounts, that's down about 3.5% right now. The market is responding to the size of these reciprocal tariffs, because when you look at a country like China that we do a lot of business with, that 34% tariff plus the 20% tariff that we're also looking at, that is a big increase in costs for American businesses who import goods from China, and it's likely to translate to consumers paying more as well.
That said, Rebecca, the president says this is some short-term pain worth it for long-term gain, and he says this will help bring manufacturing back to the United States, jobs back to the United States. Could this pay off in the long run?
Well, that is the hope, but it is a long-term bet, and that's because companies who make manufacturing decisions are making them over the course of many years. If you're going to build a new factory here, you need to find a location, pay for that location, build the factory, and find enough people to employ in it. That is a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar promise. Diane.
All right, our chief business correspondent, Rebecca Jarvis. Rebecca, thank you, and we will be following this story throughout the day. Right now, we'll return you to your regular programming. For some of you, that's Good Morning America, and our coverage continues on ABC News Live and abcnews.com. And David Muir will be here with the entire team for World News Tonight. I'm Diane Macedo. Have a great rest of the day.
This has been a special report from ABC News.